Unveil the science behind advanced dermatology with a closer look at its potent ingredients. Plant stem cells, a cutting-edge innovation, rebuild natural collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid in the skin, preserving essential components crucial for youthful skin. Wrinkle-fighting peptides enriched with 7-age antagonist biomimetic peptides visibly diminish the length and depth of wrinkles, revealing smoother skin. Experience facelifting growth factors in action as they visibly uplift saggy contours, redefining your skin's youthful vibrancy. Advanced Dermatology's optic technology targets uneven skin tone, redness, dark spots, and acne marks, rejuvenating your complexion for a flawless glow. Discover the antioxidant powerhouse protecting your skin from damage, fortifying its protective barrier and slowing down the aging process effectively. With over 20 other groundbreaking innovations, these ingredients synergistically combat all signs of skin aging, restoring your skin's youthful qualities. Elevate your skincare routine with Advanced Dermatology. Experience the transformative power of nature and science for ageless beauty. Visit the link to know more.